the data that we're pulling from is a authoritative, true source. We're not gathering data from just anywhere and then pumping it into our model. A great example of how this went super, super wrong is where, what was that model? Grok. So Grok started pulling directly from Twitter, and then they took off all the filters and just let it say whatever it wanted, and it turned into Mecca Hitler. So the model is only going to be as good as the actual data that is pulling from. So that's just one example. A poor example because it was beyond training at that point. So probably model poisoning might be a better one. So model poisoning, what is that? An attacker with direct access to the model artifacts modifies the weights and the parameters directly without retraining and requires privileged access to the model. So this is like an insider threat. Somebody has some access to the model, direct access to